Hello, everyone. Today we will learn how to pronounce the Arabic alphabet. This is our first lesson in this course, and I hope you enjoy it. First, we will start with reading the letters normally. You have here the Arabic and the English below. For example, first letter is Alif. It would be great if you can repeat after me. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, TH like thank you. We just say Tha. Jim, Ha, Kha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Bad, Ta, Va, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Ha. And the difference between this one and the top one is this one is a bit stronger. We say Ha for the first one here on top, while the one below here we just say Ha, Ha, like normal H. Then we have here Wow. Yeah, we will study all of them in details. In Arabic, it's really easy, it's simple. We just take the first sound of each letter, and that is how we pronounce the letter when it comes in a word. For example, Alif, the first letter of it is just ah, while ba, ba, ta, just ta, ta. Okay? It's easy, I think. For example, Tha, just like f, and so on. Okay. Now we have an important topic, which is the heavy letters in Arabic. We have 7 heavy letters in Arabic, and these heavy letters are pronounced with full mouth. When you pronounce them, you make like your mouth full with a when you pronounce it. So, kha, we don't see kha. No, it's kha. That's how it's heavy. Kha, ah. Okay, not a. No, kha. Okay. Then you have also sad, sad, not sad. It's not sad, you know? So the difference between heavy and light one is more like you're smiling more. Sad, you're smiling while you're saying it. While the heavy one, you open your mouth, filling it with the, see, sad. Okay? Next one, dad. And this one, ta, not ta. Okay? Dha. And here we have ghain. And the last one is qaf. And qaf, by the way, has another letter which is lighter, which is kaf, really close to it. But this one is kaf, this one is qaf. Okay, so you need to know the difference between heavy and light because each one of these actually kinda has a similar one, but it's lighter. Like sad, it has seen. If you, as I told you, if you take the first sound of each one, you'll find the sound of sad just like sa, or the sound of sin just sa. So the difference between them when they come in a word is just sin is lighter while sad is heavier. And that happens also with ta and ta. Okay, ta here and ta here, similar. Bad and dal, same sound as well. Okay, so that is so important to know. Okay, now we go to the phonetics. We need to learn now from what place, from what part of the throat or from the mouth we pronounce each letter. We start with Alif. Alif comes from the end of your throat, and it's easy. It's like A in English. You just pronounce it that way, and you say a, a, a. Okay. Now we go to the next one. Ba, ba, ba. Excellent. Then ta, ta, ta. Perfect. Next. Tha, tha, tha. Ja, ja. Ha, ha. Now this one is a bit difficult for most of the people who don't speak Arabic because it is a new letter. It doesn't come in many languages. But this letter basically, what makes it difficult is you pronounce it in a way that you have to move some muscles in your throat. You have to force these muscles in your throat a bit backward, okay? You need to push it back to make a little channel, like narrow one, so that you can pronounce ha through. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you if you pronounce it with full like mouth, like normally. You'll find all the air comes out easily. You see ha. Now that is so quick. So in order to make ha pronounced properly, we need to make the channel of the air really narrow. Okay, so we see ha, ha, and ha is important because it comes in many popular names like Ahmed and Muhammad. But I would prefer if you practice Ahmed more, it would be much easier. So it would be good to, yeah, to repeat while you're home to say Ahmed. Okay, I hope that comes to you, and I want you to look at the screen and see where exactly we pronounce ha from. So from this part here, this part of tongue goes backward, and then you say it that way. Ha, ha. Look, it goes back. Ha. Okay, then you release it. Perfect. Then we have kha, kha, kha. As you see, the tongue goes backward and touches like the top of your mouth, and that makes the vibration kha, kha. So we say again, kha, kha. Perfect. After kha, we have dal, da, da. Yeah, easy. Next, ذال, the, 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 the. That is similar to th in English, but when it comes in words like then and that, not like thank you, okay? It is voiced th. It is voiced. So I put it with dh here because it's more voiced, not like like thank you. That is not voiced, okay? Well, this one is voiced. We say the. There is a little bit of vibration when you pronounce it. Perfect. Then you have ra, that is more close to the Spanish R, but we don't have to repeat it like many times. Just 2 times is fine. So we see ra, 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 ra. Okay? Ra, ra, ra. Perfect. Next. Za. Za, like Z in English. Easy. Za, za, za. Next we have seen. And seen comes, as we see here, from this place, from the lower teeth. So we say se, se, se. Perfect. Then sh, 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 sh. Afterwards we have sad, sa, sa. As you see, to be able to make the full mouth, we need to make the tongue a little bit goes back and up. Okay, to be able to pronounce the full, the heavy letters, we make the tongue goes back and up. Yeah. If you notice for seen, it wasn't made like that way for seen. Look, for seen, yeah, se, se. It was like normally, up, it doesn't go back. While for Sad, if you go to Sad, look, goes back. Sa, sa. Okay? Sad. Perfect. Then we have Ba. Similarly, Ba, Ba. Excellent. Then we have Ta, Ta, Ta. Va, Va, Va. Now we have Ain. Ain is a bit difficult for some people as well. But Ain is close to A, but it doesn't have a glottal stop. For A, we do a glottal stop. We see A, okay? While for Ain, you just make a little sound, soft, okay? Like some people you know in the opera when they shout and they say ah, like that way. Yeah, just close to that. So we see ah, ah. It doesn't have a glottal stop. That is really popular mistake, common mistake between new learners. They say ah, no. Ah, now you make it like alif. Okay, so ayn, it must have that soft sound. Ah, ah. Okay. Again, you see your tongue goes, the back of your tongue goes backward, and then you make the sound from this place, like that way. Ah, ah, ah. Excellent. Then we have ghain, ghain, ghain. It's close to kha. You remember kha that we have done? But ghain, the difference between kha and ghain, that kha doesn't have any vibration. It's more like voiceless sound. While ghain, no, there's vibration come from the throat. And also, ghain is more like softer, you know? Kha is more strong. Okay? Kha is more when you pronounce, like when you clean your mouth, you know? When you clean your mouth in the morning, you make kha, right? While for ghain, it's more like vibrated. Ghain, ghain, softer. Ghain, ghain, ghain. Okay? Okay. So, ghain, gha. Excellent. After ghain, we have fa. Easy one. Qa, qa, qaf, qaf. As you see, the back of your tongue goes up. Okay? And then you pronounce it that way with full mouth because it's one of the heavy letters. After qaf, we have kaf, kaf, kaf. Excellent. Lam, la, la, la. Mim, mim, like M in English, we just say me, me. Noon, noon, it's like N, easy. It comes actually, the sound comes from the nose. Okay, that's why if you have like cold or any kind of flu, it will be difficult for you to pronounce noon. So we say na, na, na. Then you have ha, 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 wa, wa, yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you for watching, and inshallah we will continue next lesson about how to write these letters again. Don't worry if you don't pronounce them properly. Many people in the beginning don't do so. So it's fine. Just keep it up and try to practice as much as you can. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lesson.